We're making ramen. Oh my god. Did you get that?
Nope.
Hello gamers! Today we're eating Minecraft ramen. Right here we got the ingredients of thy ramen things. We got carrots, broccoli sauce, slaw. We got the Mexican noodle, Chinese noodles, chicken breast, pork chop. These meats are like optional, so we got two, what are these called? Bell peppers, green bell peppers. We got like 16 of these little onions, Welsh onions, one big papa onion, 2 zucchinis. I don't even know how much. The shrooms, chicken broth, salt. You see that? Can you see it? I'm gonna zoom in. Soy sauce, black pepper. Sriracha sauce, rice and vinegar, red pepper. You see that? I don't even know the name, so you gotta find it yourself. I'm sorry if this is dookie. Who cares? Okay, now we're gonna put the salt and the pepper. Zoom in, make sure you get every flake falling down. What the crap? Nothing's coming out. Is that enough or more? Alright, you're gonna have to count how many twirls I make, because I don't even know how much I'm putting on. Yeah, I think that's enough. Put that bad boy away. Okay, get your 2 fingers, your index and your middle finger and your thumb. You go like this, make sure you grab, all the salt will go away and it'll just leave a little bit. And then you go in a circle, like that. And then you do it again, in a circle. And you get all of them. There you go, that's the pork chop. And then we'll do it to the chicken. The same thing as the pork chop you do to the chicken. So like if you're spelling Omarcito but without the Mcito. So I'm gonna move these. Okay, now you cut the little Welsh onions. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. We don't need this. Okay, I forgot to inform y'all. Y'all must cut from here, and it's 2 batches of Welsh onions. Make sure you find a container so you know you don't lose them. They don't grow legs and walk away. I'm crying. I'm not crying, you are. Now, you're gonna cut the onion. I got a special, move this one. A special something. Yeah! See that? I don't even know what type of sword it is. I just have a sword. Give me the power to cut this onion!
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
You like the hat? Yeah, boy. See, the onions are cut. I only use 1/2. Yeah, no, 1. And then, you can keep this for like, chicken noodle soup or something else. So yeah, you cut it into little pieces, like that big. You see it? That big. Okay, and then now you put these to make sure that they don't walk. Oh crap! I don't even think about this. Make sure you get every little piece of onion. Because if something's missing, it won't be good. We got it? Okay, now we're gonna cut the bell peppers. I don't know what, this one got knocked in the face. Look at it, dude. Yeah! See that? It's already cut. I said cooked. Cut. Now once again, put them in a little, let me move these to downtown. Now we're gonna cut the zucchinis. Green. See that? This piece is like half a moon. I don't even know what they're called. Now you do it with this one again. Woo! That's hard. Cut. Oh, we're gonna need another container. Okay. We got these already cut. Smell bad. Then why did I even take them all out? Don't do what I did. Okay, we're gonna use all these cut mushrooms. You can cut them yourself, but I don't even know how many mushrooms there are in here. They're from Pennsylvania though. Okay, we're gonna put the chicken in here and the pork chop in there. So we're gonna get a little bit of oil. I'm gonna put a little bit. Little bit. See? We did it. Now we're gonna put it for the pork chop. Go. We did it. No mess ups this time. Make sure you put this on high. I don't even know these 2 circles. Make sure you go to 8. That's for the chicken. Now for the pork chop, we're gonna do the same thing. They're both the same. The 2 circles. Okay, now we're gonna get the pork chops. Now we're just only gonna put 3 of them. Okay, now we gotta wait until it heats up. Sizzling. You make sure you gotta put the oil for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ready? Make sure it doesn't hop in your eyes, because then you might lose your eyesight. Now we get the chicken. Put it in there. Okay. That burns. Then wash your hands. We're not trying to get that running. After 3 minutes, we're gonna turn them around so that they're equally cooked. Oh, make sure you cut little cuts right here so they don't inflate. Right here. Mom flipping it for me because I got scared of the oil. See that how it looks? That's how it's supposed to be. Also, 3 minutes are up for that chicken. Yeah, they're looking good. Now we gotta put the rest of the pork chops in there. There we go. Chicken will take a bit longer because you're gonna get that good taste. And now we're gonna take them out. Make sure you got an extra plate near you so that you can place both the chicken and the pork chops in there. Getting little bubbles popping up. You know that's good. Chicken over there is cooking still. All right, now we're taking them out. Okay, now it's the chicken's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 noodles. Two ramen. We're gonna split half of this and like half of this in here, half of the other half. What? Half of this in here, the other one in there. So. Oh, my little diamond jiggling. There you go. The onions for a minute so they get crispy brown. Okay, now we're gonna put the Welsh onions again, half and half. There you go. That smells good. So crisp it again, 1 minute extra for the Welsh onions. Now we're gonna put not the jalapenos, the bell peppers, half. So that means in total. Okay, now we're gonna put the mushrooms in. The diced mushrooms. Ready? Look how good that looks already. We didn't even put the noodles in yet. And if you're vegan, you don't need to put on the chicken and pork chops. You can just leave it like that and it still tastes good. And if you really want it really spicy, you put these from the beginning. Don't even know what they're called. Put 2 for spicy. Spicy. Both of them in there. Now you get the broccoli sauce and you put half in one, half in the other one. You be careful so you don't put more than half. Because it can be in big, Now we're gonna put it in this one. And then now we're gonna get the carrots. Same again. Even though the coleslaw already has carrots, it's not gonna hurt to put even more carrots. Carrots are healthy. Oops. You know, you put 1 spoon of rice vinegar. 3 spoons soy sauce. And if you want it really spicy, you put 1 whole spoon. So you put 1 spoon of sriracha sauce so it gets very spicy, and this one might be mild because we didn't put any sriracha sauce. And if you want it mild, I think that would be the great choice for that one. But if you want it spicy, you get that one. We also forgot the ginger, so put a little bit too much. 1 on that one, 1 on that one. This is chicken broth, 1 cup. 2, 3. Make sure that all this is over it so you don't waste it like how I did it. It needs a lot more salt. It needed a little bit more salt. So we're putting in This one's the pork with the Chinese noodles, and then that one is the Mexican noodles. Make sure you gotta wash your hands. This is the thumbnail. I can't tip it.
Back, Tyler.
Okay, this one's the pork one with the Mexican noodles. Spicy one. And then the one my brother has is the chicken one. That is less spicy. Boy! No, you're gonna know. Go ahead, sweaty.
Your hair is flat.
Oh, dang it.
Wait, do we go?
No.
I'm just getting like the chicken.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's not too bad. That's spicy. Not really as spicy as I thought it would be. How did yours turn out?
Normal.
Normal. Describe the taste. Is it spicy?
It's not that spicy.
Is the chicken good?
It always has been.
The pork actually turned out good. Really good.
Something called that.
It's your fork.
Oh.
Good. Don't taste it in yet.
I like the noodles a little bit.
This one's Mexican
Did you
noodles.
eat all the pork?
Did I?
Should have ate all the chicken. Look at that.
There's a little pork right there.
Yeah, but that's little.
That's mushroom. That was a mushroom. You ready?
It's a piece of pork.
Oh, it was? There goes
Yeah.
your pork. Ready? 3, Nate.
Wait. How you do this? Okay.
You ate all the noodles also, so but okay. It's equal.
And the one is like there.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm just choking me.
This one's good too. It's not spicy at all.
Oh, let's get it. Some sriracha sauce. I can't put too much pizza for tomorrow. You chew so loud.
Okay, if you want to put a little more spicy, you know, you can.
A little more spicy.
A little bit more. If you want it a little bit more spicy, then
You mean a little bit more kick? A little kick.
then put a. I'm not just kidding. Put a little bit in there.
This is bien harto.
No, it isn't.
Let me just put a little.
That's a lot.
I didn't mean to do that.
Mix it up real good.
Oh, I found a pork.
You did? Yeah.
Yes. Vegetables.
What? You bit yourself? It's that.
I want to eat
If you like what we made today, leave a like. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. 1 like on this video. Make me blow up so I can make more cooking videos. And if I do end up blowing up, I'm going to challenge Pewdiepie in a cooking battle. See who's better. I think I am. Thank you. And buenas noches.